Hey guys, welcome back. Let's do the reveal for this tarot deck. It is called the Guardian of the Night Tarot, and it is by MJ Cullinane. I don't know if I said that right, so apologies if I said that wrong, but the artwork is stunning. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I'm always excited to see what's inside. All right, here we go. Let's open it right up. Okay. Oh, that was easy to open up. Without darkness, there is no light. Oh, I love that. Look at that. And then, let's see, no messages there. We have our tarot deck there, and we have the book, and we have who is this? The artist, MJ Cullinane. AKA Margus Jones, an award winning Seattle based artist, writer, mother, lover of all magical things, especially crows. She attended Parsons School of Design, yet her unique technique for telling stories through digital collage is self taught and has been her passion for over 10 years. I apologize if I said your name wrong, but I'm super excited that I got your tarot deck. Yes, yes. Okay, so first, let's grab the book and let's look inside and see how it is done. Okay, so right there it has the number, so we don't have the picture. You have the number and you have to go into the book to get the messages. So there you go. And now let's open up the cards. Okay. So right away, I'm in love with it because, oh my goodness, look at those pictures. They come alive with the colors. So it is not your traditional tarot shape, it's more square. And then here, it's all just plain. So it doesn't have like the gold foil or the pink or the silver or anything. And the back of the card. Look at that. It's little bees. It's little honeybees. I love it. Okay, and let's start. So here we go. Let me just hold this. I find this a little bit big for my hands, but here we go. Zero, the Fool card. Look at those colors. They are just stunning. The Magician. Oh, so it's got animals throughout the deck. I'm super excited. If you are an animal lover, you are gonna love this deck. The High Priestess, the Empress. What is the picture? Oh, it's the fox. Look at that. The Empress, the Emperor. This is gorgeous. I love animals, so I'm like already in love with this deck. The Lovers, the Chariot. Let me just see a moment here. Move the cards out of the way. The Strength card, the Hermit, the Wheel of Fortune, the Justice. You know what? What I'm noticing about the cards for myself is I love the way she has an animal for each card. And let's continue to reveal the cards and see if that is true. But do you know how hard that is to get different animals and do this beautiful artwork so it's not like a whole tarot deck of cats or one of just dogs? She has all of nature in here. Like that's really hard to do. And gorgeous. So kudos to the artist. This is amazing. And I forgot to say, that was card 12, the Hanged Man. We got 13, Death, and it's a white owl. That is gorgeous. We got 14, Temperance. 15, the Devil card. 16, the Tower card. 17, the Star card. 18, the Moon card. 19, the Sun card. 20, the Judgment card. 21, the world. Oh, that is so beautiful with the bumblebees. The beautiful bee. And now we got the Ace of Wands. So far, what I'm noticing within the cards is she kept all the original names of the traditional tarot cards, which makes it so much easier when you're working with the cards, to be quite honest. The Ace of Wands, the Two of Wands, Three of Wands, Four of Wands, Five of Wands, Six of Wands, Seven of Wands, Eight of Wands, Nine of Wands, 10 of Wands. And here we are with the court card. So the Page of Wands, the Knight of Wands, the Queen of Wands, and the King of Wands. And now we are in the next suit. So the Ace of Cups. There you go. You know what I love about this tarot deck so far is there is a different animal on every single card. I love it. So the Two of Cups, the Three of Cups, the Four of Cups, Five of Cups, Six of Cups, Seven of Cups, Eight of Cups, Nine of Cups, 10 of Cups, and now we are in the court cards. The Page of Cups, the Knight of Cups, the Queen of Cups, you see, the King of Cups. And now we are going to the next suit. So we are in the suit of swords. So the Ace of Swords, the Two of Swords, the Three of Swords. Oh, interesting. The Four of Swords, the Five of Swords, the Six of Swords, the Seven of Swords, the Eight of Swords, the Nine of Swords, and the 10 of Swords. And now we are back into the court cards. So we have the Page of Swords, the Knight of Swords, the Queen of Swords, and the King of Swords. And now the last, oh, this is stunning. This is the last suit, which is the Pentacles. So the Ace of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, the Four of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, and 10 of Pentacles. That's beautiful. And now we are in the court card. So we have the Page of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, and the King of Pentacles. That was gorgeous. That was absolutely stunning. I love the cards. I love that there's an animal for each and every card. And honestly, the deck feels sacred. There's like this real sacred vibration to the deck. I don't know if you guys picked up on that. And the colors, it just like it draws you in. The artwork is just stunning. It's absolutely stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. So once again, this is what it is. This is what it looks like. The Guardian of the Night Tarot. So that is what this is called. It is a Hay House collection card. So there you go. There's the little Hay House logo. So you can probably find it on Amazon or on the Hay House website. If you guys like this, don't forget to click and follow, subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments, do you have this deck? Are you going to buy it now? Did you love all the animals? Are you an animal lover like I am? I'm in love with cards. I'm in love with artwork and I'm in love with the story. And I want to learn about the story that the artist tells because every artist tells a different story within their artwork, within their cards. All right. Wishing you guys an awesome day. Take care, everybody. Bye.